720p for better image quality. SPM 250 words essay. Articles Article 014. Family Unity 2021 Terengganu. SPM Trial Exam Question. You see this notice on the school bulletin board. Articles wanted. Family Unity. What activities can we do with our family? What should be done when there are family problems? How can we strengthen family bonds? Write us an article answering these questions. The best article will be published in the school newsletter. Write your article. Notice. Accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B. Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 qualification email. srihero@gmail.com YouTube channel. Melakaexplorer. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account. 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Family Unity by Sritharan. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of family unity cannot be overstated. Families serve as the cornerstone of support, love, and guidance in our lives. To maintain strong familial connections, it's crucial to address activities that foster togetherness, strategies for conflict resolution, and ways to strengthen bonds within the family. Engaging in shared activities is a powerful way to fortify familial ties. Simple endeavors such as cooking together, going for nature walks, or playing board games create enduring memories. These activities encourage open communication, laughter, and a sense of belonging among family members. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but how they're approached within families is crucial. Encouraging open dialogue, active listening, and respecting diverse viewpoints form the foundation for resolution. Seeking mediation or professional guidance when necessary demonstrates a commitment to resolving conflicts constructively. Building strong familial bonds requires intentional effort. Regular communication, expressing gratitude, and spending quality time together are essential. Carving out dedicated family time, like weekly dinners or outings, reinforces connections. Encouraging mutual support and being present during both joyful and challenging times solidifies family unity. In conclusion, nurturing family unity is an ongoing journey that demands dedication, understanding, and patience. Embracing shared activities, effectively addressing conflicts, and consistently working to strengthen familial bonds are pivotal in fostering a resilient and supportive family unit. Remember, a united family stands strong in the face of adversity and thrives in moments of joy, making every effort to prioritize family unity invaluable in our lives.